Deutsche Bank stock up 2.1% right now. This after the bank said last night that it expects a €430 million boost to its third quarter results. This comes after making, quote, significant progress in talks over the majority of claims relating to the Postbank litigation, which relates to the price that was paid, and some investors believing they got underpaid in terms of that acquisition. Joining us now, Bloomberg's EMEA Finance Managing Editor, Tom Metcalf. Bit of a surprise.
Yeah, caught me by surprise. The messaging coming out of Deutsche Bank before yesterday night when the statement dropped was these things will take time to resolve, we're working away but not expecting any kind of big shifts. And then last night, bang, this represents about 60% of all the Postbank claims. Yep. And to my reading, it looks like Deutsche Bank done a pretty good job. They provided, about 800 million for these specific claims, and they've been able to kind of write back 55%. Right. So they effectively...
Is there an expectation they'll be able to settle all of them at these kinds of levels?
I think it's always more complicated than that. That would be how my simplistic brain would go with it, right? And but yes, the guidance we're hearing is, look, every claim's different. And, for me, the fun thing is, as a lawyer representing a different set of claimants out there who's already been saying that, a settlement at €36 is unacceptable. This was at €31. So there's a big range out there, and that would be where, going forward, the rest of this provision, that's the question. Will they be able to do it at 45%, or do they have to go a bit more richer to satisfy other people?